Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook surf clams. Begin by thoroughly rinsing your fresh clams under cold, running water for several minutes to remove any grit or sand. Use a stiff brush if necessary to clean the shells, ensuring they are free from debris. Discard any clams that are open and do not close when tapped, as they may no longer be alive or fresh. This initial cleaning step is crucial for a delicious and enjoyable meal. After cleaning, you will need to carefully shuck the clams, separating the meat from the shell. A sturdy clam knife works best for this task, gently twisting it into the hinge. Once open, detach the clam meat and remove any dark digestive tracts or tough bits. Next, tenderize the clam meat. Pounding it lightly with a mallet or knife handle works wonderfully. This step is essential for achieving a desirable texture, making the clams enjoyable to eat. For a simple yet flavorful dish, try sautéing your prepared surf clam meat. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped clove of garlic and cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add your clam meat and sauté for just 1 to 2 minutes until it is opaque and slightly firm. Season with a pinch of sea salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Serve your freshly cooked surf clams immediately, perhaps over pasta, with crusty bread, or as a delightful appetizer. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Reheat gently to maintain their tender texture and avoid overcooking. Feel free to experiment with different herbs like parsley or cilantro, or add a splash of white wine to your sauté for an enhanced flavor experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.